startup category, and I want to eventually come to stocks of Zomato and Swiggy. But in a LinkedIn post, startup Bombay shaving company CEO Shantanu Deshpande has in fact condemned India's growing addiction to quick food delivery, and it has called out ultra processed foods packaged with high doses of sugar and palm oil. Now, of course, this is one startup, an unlisted one, really taking a dig at companies which are now listed and are in the quick commerce and quick food delivery space. I want to understand from you Zomato and Swiggy. Let's begin with Zomato first, Akshay. Now, again, there has been a bit of volatility on the Zomato stock. How do you view the Zomato stock and the Zomato story, given the slew of announcements which are being made, given the slew of new initiatives that Zomato has now really, come out with, and of course the entire ticketing business and all the concert tickets going on Zomato Live? How do you view the Zomato stock?
Well, for Zomato, look, Swiggy and Zomato, these were the two stocks. I think they have been included in the futures and options space, and there were around 45 new entrants from 29th of November in the futures and options space. From that day onwards, you have seen a short momentum-based rally in most of these stocks in the last few trading sessions. And if I were to look just at the price chart of Zomato as it stands right now, there is some bit of resilience or profit booking which is evident around the levels of 300. So this is more short-term, and the price setup makes me believe that if you are a short-term trader with a time horizon of let's say 10 to 15 trading sessions, the stock may be in a range. The lower end of the range is 275, higher end of the range is around 325. So yes, it is, the price structure is still strong, but it won't be a one-way rally as the stock has witnessed in the last few months. There will be interruptions and there will be roadblocks in between. So overall, my target projection is 325 if you are short to medium term. From a longer term perspective, yes, it's still a hold. There is no signs of any capitulation or any kind of a major reversal. So 245 to 50 is a long term support and be invested. That's the view in Zomato. Moving on to Swiggy, which is the other stock you mentioned. So Swiggy, I think this is more of a new listing. The data for me is a bit limited here, but whatever limited data points I have, the price structure is shaping up well, is starting to take a strong uptrend, and probably 580, 595 is the short to medium term target projection I can make with the limited set of data I have.